How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to give someone the chills, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBurke999. Now, to give someone the chills, what you want to do is there's two different ways to give someone the chills: with physical touch or doing other sensory movements. So the first one is touching someone. To give someone the chills by touching, the main things, what I found out really sensitive is the chest. Like anything up here, if you just go like this with your fingers, that can give someone the chills. Another thing that's very, very common is just getting your fingers lightly and touching someone's back, just up and down. So kind of like your arm, you just go really, really light, like barely touching it. And it can give someone the chill. Like I just gave myself the chills right now. You can give yourself goosebumps literally just by going like this and barely touching. Because a lot of times, your back, your chest area, highly sensitive. So again, literally just going like this. Another way is hair. A lot of people, like back in the neck, you can give goosebumps. Just touching someone's hair like this can give someone the chills as well. It's actually a nice sensation, like someone rubbing your back just softly. It does. It feels really, really nice. The next one is through sensory, like not actually touching. Like I guess touching is a sense. So I guess I'll say without touching. Lots of different ways. What's very, very common now is people whispering. So they'll talk like this really, really soft, and they'll whisper when they talk. So that's very, very common. Whispering can give people the chills. Another one that people do is they'll get objects such as wooden objects, bowls, spoons, stuff like that, and they'll rub them together really, really slowly. That also gives someone the chills. Another one very, very common is tapping a microphone. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna tap the microphone back and forth with your fingers just like this. And that is also good too. Scratching using long nails, just touching your nails like this, also very, very common for giving people the chills. So this is like a whole movement, you guys. Like this is very, very common nowadays, like giving people the chills using sensory movements. And yeah, it's actually really, really cool when you think about it. But that's how you give people that's how you give someone the chills. Not very difficult to do. So try those tips out. I guarantee you it will work. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.